R and Python are two powerful programming languages, each with its own strengths. But which one is the right choice for you? Whether you are working in data science, finance, automation, or research, choosing the right tool can make a huge difference. In this video, we will compare these two powerful programming languages and see how they perform across different domains. Whether you are building a machine learning model, working on a data science project, conducting a statistical analysis, or handling automation tasks, understanding strengths of these languages will help you to make an informed decision. I am Nasir Ali, lecturer at Higher Education Department, Lahore, Pakistan. We will cover the following points in this video: key differences, which is better. After that, we will look at the comparison of libraries and packages, and then community support, compatibility with machine learning, job scenarios, and finally, we will wrap up the video by concluding marks about when to choose Python and when R might be a better choice based on your goals. So let's begin with the basics. Python is a general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity and readability, where on the other hand, R is specifically designed for statistical analysis and data visualization. Python's popularity is growing rapidly due to its vast ecosystem and applicability across multiple domains. Companies like Google, Netflix, Uber, Facebook rely on Python for various applications from AI to backend development. And on the other hand, R is widely used by data analysts and is also adopted by major tech companies, including those in FAANG for statistical computing and data-driven insights. Now that we have a basic understanding, now let's compare Python and R in terms of strengths and weaknesses. Python is easy to learn for beginners and non-technical users, where R is beginner-friendly but becomes more complex at advanced levels. Python has a clear and readable code structure which enhance simplicity and maintainability. R syntax is a little more complex and less intuitive, which can make code readability and maintenance more challenging. Since Python is a general-purpose programming language, it is widely used by web developers, data scientists, AI researchers, and software engineers across various domains, where R is primarily designed for statistical analysis and data visualization, making it a preferred choice for statisticians and researchers. Both languages have their advantages, and best choice depends on your goals. If you are working in a data science, machine learning, or AI, Python is an ideal choice. However, if your focus is on handling large data sets, conducting statistical analysis, or working as a data analyst, then R is way to go. One of the key factors that make any programming language powerful is its ecosystem of libraries and packages. Python offers ready-to-use functions through its extensive collection of libraries, over 137,000 libraries available. This covers a wide range of applications including machine learning, data science, visualization, automation, and more. Popular libraries include NumPy, pandas, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and matplotlib. Where R, on the other hand, has a strong ecosystem for statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. According to Comprehensive R Archive Network, there are currently more than 22,000 contributed packages. These packages specialize in statistical modeling, data manipulation, and visualization. So if you are looking for a language with extensive support for deep learning, automation, and broader application, Python vast library collection give it an edge. So Python is a winner if you are into machine learning or data science, okay? But if you are more focused on statistical computing, data visualization, or applied machine learning, R is a winner. So let's have a look at popular libraries and packages of both the languages. If we look at data manipulation, the Python library is pandas and the R packages are dplyr and data.table. Similarly, for big data processing, there is Dask and PySpark in Python, and SparkLayer and data.table for R package. Similarly, for numerical computing, NumPy is more than enough, and in R, that is base R and matrix. So next is data visualization. Python libraries for data visualization are matplotlib, seaborn, and plotlib, and similarly R packages are ggplot2, lattice, and plotlib. And some more comparison. For statistical analysis, Python's library are stats models, scipy.stats, and profit. Similarly, R packages are stats, mass, lemi4, forecast, t-series. So there is a plenty of packages available in R for statistical computing, because as I mentioned earlier, R is specially designed for statistical analysis. Okay. Now next is a web scraping. So Python libraries, Beautiful Soap, Scrappy, and R packages are West and HTTR. So next is NLP, very popular topic nowadays. So Python's libraries are NLTK, SpyK, transformers, and R packages are TM, text to vec, and tidy text. So next is the machine learning. So Python libraries are scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and many more. And R packages are caret, MLR, and XGBoost. These are the popular package, but there are plenty of other packages and libraries are available for machine learning tasks. Similarly, for deep learning tasks, TensorFlow and PyTorch are the best choices for Python, and Keras and TensorFlow are the best choices for R. So let's have a look at the community support, because community support plays a crucial role in learning, troubleshooting, and career growth. Python holds a top position in TIOB index with top rank, and this update was in March 2025, where on the other hand R is ranked at 16th. There is a huge difference. So next is the Python has a large community because being a general purpose programming language, it is used by experts across various fields, where R's core strength is research papers, scientific computing, and government analytics. So basically statistical analysis. Next is extensive documentation, tutorials, courses are available for both the languages. Next, Python has a vast number of highly active GitHub repository, Stack Overflow community, and strong search interest driven by ML and AI. R has comparatively fewer repository, a more niche community, academic driven search trends, and strong presence in research. So next is a compatibility with machine learning. Machine learning is a key area where both Python and R are widely used, but they differ in terms of ecosystem and integration capabilities. Python offers of the most powerful and widely used machine learning libraries, including scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, as we have discussed in the earlier slides. These libraries make Python the preferred choice for AI and deep learning applications. R also provides packages like caret, dplyr, and random forest, which are commonly used for statistical machine learning models and data analysis. Python allows seamless integration with other languages like C, C++, Java, making it highly flexible for large-scale applications. So R, while strong in statistical modeling, is generally more complex to integrate with other languages and production environment. So ultimately, both languages offer machine learning capabilities, but their use cases are different. Python is widely adopted, but we can say that Python is a clear winner in machine learning. When it comes to career opportunities, both R and Python are in demand, but their adoption varies across industries. If proficiency in either language is required for data science, machine learning jobs, Python is preferred for extensive libraries. With a rising focus on AI, companies increasingly seeking Python expertise, leading to rapid job growth. And job opportunities depend on company requirement and specific use cases. So overall, both languages offer strong career path, but I would say that Python is more adopted across the tech companies due to its vast ecosystem of libraries. So conclusion of the study is that if you are a beginner or non-technical user, Python is best choice for you. And if you primarily work with datasets and statistical analysis, R is the way to go. And if you are interested in machine learning, AI, or deep learning, Python is the best option. Even not only better, is the best option. For career in data analytics, R is more suitable. So ultimately, choice depends on your field, goals, and tools required for your work. But if you are into machine learning, data science, then Python is a clear winner. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.